Hi kids! Welcome to Kids Learn Basics. Are you ready for today's learning adventure? Great! Today, we'll build words. Let's blend the sound of A with the other letters to build a word. Yes, that means we're going to put together the sounds of 3 letters that each one makes. Let's blend. B, A, T. B, A, T. B, A, T. Bat. Bat. R, A, T. R, A, T. R, A, T. Rat. Rat. M, A, T. M, A, T. M, A, T. Mat. Mat. S, A, T. Sad. 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 M, A, P. M, A, P. Map. 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 T, A, G. T, A, G. T, egg. Tag. Tag. W, A, G. W, A, G. W, egg. Wag. Wag. Good job! Let's read the words together. Bat, rat, mat, sad, map, tag, wag. Wow! We built the words. Okay, this time, please try to read them. Are you ready? You may start now. Bat, rat, mat, sad, map, tag, wag. Amazing! Thanks for learning with me today. Please subscribe to this channel so you can catch up with our fun time learning adventures. See you soon!